plate of food can be triggering too.
I often isolated and distanced myself from social situations where I would be required to eat.
I refuse to eat in front of people.
You somehow convince yourself that okay, you can go without food.
And today I'm eating fish in a restaurant.
Can I get the fish finger baguette?
A new internet trend called Fear Food Challenge has people with eating disorders putting their videos on YouTube and TikTok to overcome the fear of eating certain meals. An eating disorder is a mental disorder defined by abnormal eating behaviors. People with anorexia restrict their food intake. In bulimia, people binge eat and then purge it through vomiting. And people with binge eating disorder consume a large amount of food in a short period. To find out if this trend actually helps, we talk to people who are dealing with such disorders.
So it depends on individual to individual. As in, if I have to take this challenge, then I am sure that I'll fail miserably.
I don't think इस ट्रेंड से कुछ होगा. मुझे नहीं लगता ये हेल्पफुल है. कोई टिकटॉक का ट्रेंड आपका ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं कर सकता.
I have considered trying the challenge myself. My hope is that it will help me further conquer my fears around certain foods and strengthen my recovery journey.
I feel if I started this challenge, I might binge eat, and that would just lead me to feeling not so confident about my body.
I believe it can be a powerful way for individuals to confront their fears and take steps towards recovery in a supportive and communal environment.
फियर फूड चैलेंज के द्वारा उस फूड को कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं तो क्या आप वो मेमोरी को भूल पा रहे हैं या हर बाइट के साथ आप उसको फिर से याद कर रहे हैं. इफ द रिजल्ट्स आर हैप्पी, it's fine, but if you are not being able to let that memory go, you need to introspect. ईटिंग डिसऑर्डर्स बच्चों से लेके बड़ों में कहीं भी और किसी भी एज में आ सकते हैं. कभी कभी हम सोशल प्रेशर्स के अंदर भी आ सकते हैं जहां पे हम अपनी बॉडी को बहुत ज्यादा जज कर रहे हैं.
At one point you think, okay, just half an hour and then I'll have something. That half an hour becomes 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sometimes 8 to 10 hours, or sometimes it crosses all limits and it becomes like 14 hours without having anything.
Someone close to me sort of skinny shamed me, and I guess that's how when I develop body dysmorphia and an eating disorder.
सारे डिसऑर्डर्स जो हैं वो हमारी थॉट्स, फीलिंग्स और इमोशंस के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. आपको ये देखना होगा कि जो मैं चैलेंज कर रहा हूँ या मैं कर रही हूँ, क्या वो सच में मेरी बॉडी के लिए नॉरिशिंग है, हेल्पफुल है और मेरे माइंड के लिए पीसफुल है. अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो आपको किसी प्रोफेशनल की हेल्प लेनी चाहिए.
For more informative videos like this, keep watching India Today Newsmo.